This simple recipe has my family and I smitten. Veggies with the Asian flavors. We love a little bit of nuttiness from that sesame oil. It is exactly what you'll find in this egg roll in a bowl recipe. So check out how it's made. Welcome back to a super easy recipe that is not only filling, but with the shortcuts you're going to see in today's video, this is a breeze to make. Let's talk about how to save some time in the kitchen when meal prepping or making any meal. For starters, you can take an onion and put it through the food processor for a really speedy chop, or my friend, you can just buy pre-chopped or even frozen onions. As long as they're onions, do whatever you can to help you save time with any recipe. When it comes to cabbage, if you don't have time to chop it, buy a bag of pre-shredded coleslaw. It's simple, affordable, and a huge time saver because cabbage is not the quickest thing to chop by hand. Well, unless you just run it through a food processor, so there's that. The carrots in this recipe are gonna be shredded or grated, so you could just buy matchstick carrots and just use those, or manually grate a couple of carrots ahead of time, refrigerated. Again, whatever gets you cooking. All the prep for this recipe can be done ahead of time, stored in a bowl in the fridge, and the veggies will be ready for the day you need them. This recipe is a Kickstart program and meal plan member favorite, so I thought I'd share it with you to see how it's done. In this large skillet, I'm going to heat up some sesame oil. I'm gonna add my onion and then saute it until the onion is nice and soft and translucent. Next, I'm going to add the beef, a little black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and a bit of sriracha. Let's cook this through while breaking up the beef. Next, we add the cabbage, carrots, soy sauce, and rice wine vinegar. I'm just going to saute this mixture until the cabbage is tender. Some people like their cabbage really soft, while others, like myself, like a little bit of crunch. All in all, this meal took between 15 and 20 minutes max, and it's super easy to put together. I like to serve this as is, but if you need a little bit more bulk into your meal to make it go further, serve more people, you could definitely add a base of rice to this meal. I love that I started out with that sesame oil to saute the onions. The nutty flavor is not too strong, but it's still there. For the recipe and the measurements, check the description box right below this video. And while you're down there, look left, click on the red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you next time.